àjúrè àsọlọ́jà àgẹ̀gbà àjúrè.
ọdún sáré títí ọdún wọn ò gbọ́dún oṣù rìn gbẹ̀rẹ̀gbẹ̀rẹ̀ wọn ò kó oṣù lọ́nà.
ọdún ló wà nílẹ̀ káàárọ̀ oòjíire bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló sì ṣe wà káàkiri àgbáyé ṣùgbọ́n ọdún kan pàtàkì kan wà nínú Ile-Ife tí à ń pè ní ọdún ọlọ́jọ́.
Ọdún ọlọ́jọ́ is a celebration in Ile-Ife ní ìrántí ojúmọ́ àkọ́kọ́, the dawn of the first day in human history. This celebration lends credence to the belief that Ife, Ibi Ojumo Ti n Mo Wa, is the cradle of human existence, especially for the people known as Yorùbá today. The beginning of Olojo festival involves sacred practices, among which the Ooni of Ife, Olofin Adimula, goes into seclusion in Iledi, Iremo quarters to perform traditional rites for 7 days, where he will commune with his forebears. The day before Olojo's main celebration is traditionally for Ilagun, where sacrifices are made to Òrìṣà Ògún. This is also the day Olofin Adimula would leave seclusion. Ọdún ọlọ́jọ́ has remained popular for its myth in Ile-Ife and its significance to the cultural identity of the Yoruba people. This celebration, where Ooni of Ife wears Ade-Ari, is believed to have been especially blessed by Olódùmarè.
Ọdún ọlọ́jọ́ ó jẹ́ ọdún pàtàkì tí a máa ń ṣe nílùú Ile-Ife nítorí ọjọ́ tí a dá ọjọ́, tí ọjọ́ kò, tí ọjọ́ pé, ní ọjọ́ tí ìmọ́lẹ̀ tó mọ́ káàkiri àgbáńlá ayé, tí a dá ayé, tí ilẹ̀ mọ́, tí a sì rí pé ìmọ́lẹ̀ wà, òkùnkùn pòórá, ìyẹn á pè ní ọdún ọlọ́jọ́. Ó sì dì mọ́ Ògún káka ayé ọ̀sìn mọ́lẹ̀.
Ari is a sacred crown that only Ooni of Ife can wear, and that is only during Olojo festival. Olofin Adimula would meet or by a messenger before going to Okiemese. where we have the Omode Olofin, the messengers of Oni, before he could wear the Ari crown. There is a deep tie between the sacred Ari crown and Ogun due to the crown's iron component, and it must be brought before Ogun at Okemogun in Ile-Ife on each Olojo festival. The local who are soldiers of the Oni are usually with canes on both hands, paving and clearing the way for Oni of Ife, as he symbolically walks out of the palace with Ari crown, heading to Okemogun. Among the Irumole, Ogun, the Olulana, is revered for creating pathways in the traditional Yorùbá belief, and he is celebrated during Olojo for clearing the path for the first dawn. Olojo, meaning the owner of the day, is a celebration in honor of the day Olódùmarè created the earth.
Àmọ́ Ile-Ife ni olórí ayé gbogbo. Ibẹ̀ ni ọjọ́ ti là. Ibẹ̀ ni gbogbo àwọn àtòyìnbó pàápàá dé àwọn ìdúdú Ile-Ife ni wọ́n ti lọ. So ìgbà tí Olódùmarè dá ayé tí ọjọ́ là tó sọ pé àárọ̀ rè o, ọ̀sán rè o, alẹ́ rè o, a ó máa sùn o, a ó máa jí, ọdún yìí kọjá ọdún yípo, òun náà pè ní ọdún ọlọ́jọ́ tó ní òun ó máa ran bàbá yìí, òjò ó máa ran bàbá yìí, òkùnkùn yóò máa sún bàbá yìí, a ó máa sùn, a ó máa jí, ilẹ̀ yóò sì máa mọ́ ní ojoojúmọ́.
À ń ṣe ọlọ́jọ́ kí ọlọ́jọ́ òní jẹ́ ká lówó, ká lọ́mọ, ká láyọ̀, ká ní ire gbogbo. Aké gbàdúrè.